I mean, just take a look at this, right? This is just some of the videos that are included in Virality. They're all done for you, viral videos ready to go, straight out the box. Nothing for you to do other than upload them, follow the simple system that we've got inside Virality that's tried and tested, and you're just gonna get views straight out the box. I mean, look at that, that's bonkers. So in a nutshell, Virality, this is a training program. You get a full members area, you log in, and you've got step-by-step videos from Fergal based on what he found when he tried this system out. And I tell you what, honestly, many times he was messaging me saying like, this Instagram is just blowing up, man. This is just crazy. And he was telling me about like the results he was getting, and it was just unbelievable. So really pleased to be able to give this to you now. And giving you those videos as well just makes all the difference, because you don't have to second guess, and you obviously don't have to make any of the videos yourself. Now I'm just looking at my bonus bundle here, and if you get it through me, if you look at this, 300 extra motivational videos, plus you get 200 and then another 300 travel videos, plus you get another 300 drone footage videos. So that's 300, 500, 800, another 1100. So you get another 1100 videos for free, right? So as far as content is concerned, and listen, this is $12.95. So you're not only going to get exactly how Fergal was able to do that and the step-by-step training that you need to do it yourself, you're going to get all this stuff as well, all these bonuses. That's just part of my bonus bundle. You know, this is the biggest no-brainer ever. And getting videos to go viral obviously is massive when it comes to traffic. And on these platforms, you can achieve all sorts, but Fergal narrowed it down to a specific way to do it on Instagram with a specific kind of video, and that's what you get in Virality. So there's no reason why you can't just go and slam it straight out the gate. So go ahead, grab this, make sure you get it through my link so you get these bonuses. And in order to check that, all you need to do is once you go through from the sales page, click on the checkout cart. That's where it shows you the money. That's where, you know, you put your credit card details in, or you put your PayPal in. At the bottom of that page, down the bottom are the words Powered by Warrior Plus. All you need to do is hover over the little round person icon, and you're looking for my name, Trevor Carr. If you see that, you cook it to me and you will get those bonuses, all right? So hopefully you can see this is like, I mean, there's no reason not to do this. There really isn't. As always, if you've got any questions, please do let me know. In the meantime, I wish you and yours all the very best. You take care.